na mutegeri nipo ya nontu bakuwatanira na batu ringi andene ya Wero TV na utaura ngukwirite au kabere ati tukawatanira na Moses Bayenia ura niwe secretary of clinical officers ndene ya Meru County baina chairman Liki Gichunge kwariria mantu ya momo ya madaktari ona kinya clinical officers ira yombete weta na mbere. Karibuni sana ni beto. Na tukianjiria na kiuria kia mbere tuanjiria na chairman tukienda utwira kithano kuona devolving health kitha nire ari thwanya rire ya
nkanjire nde nakuwa devolution tikintu kithuku tuyo thikia workers ndamba kuwa devolution actually ni improve health indicators mantu ara tuona for example kiothi ara ya indicate whether health ni weta boboya for example maternal mortality rate, infant mortality rate ici on the statistics nicionanitie isi improvete na reasons ira cionbete kwetha kwina improvement iu mbere nere yako tari na devolution yonto health facilities oeta yonto ya dispensary kana health center watrima mtorore yangu ine ni either one nurse obange ni support staff na ibo baria bakiona patients but with the coming of devolution county government inchiumbete kuandika health staff and that one has improved the health care and that one I appreciate appreciate so much about that na nga kwa example for example ida ndandikirwe twandikirwe ni national government but to clinic officers twandikirwe 250 clinic officers countrywide mwaka wa 2013. Before then the last time the thirikari nene yandikite anto clinic officers yandikite 2009. So from 2009 mwaka 2013 ya kuandika another 250 clinic officers watega kutari na enough healthcare workers lakini with devolution kintu kimwe kiratumba wikumiria na tukaua devolution ni tetengwe ni strengthening of the human resource capacity especially employees county ni andikite antu babaingi bunge kinya infrastructure county itweretie kuona county ni improve infrastructure for example kwina utukona dispensary need worito kinya naranto batomba kuonwa watrima even villages remote naranto batona wala kindai kwena dispensaries ku hiyo positive side of devolution. Problem wire uratomba kwa devolution ni issues to do with the human resource especially manto ya strike now and then manto yo in my own opinion urampomba kuwa iratomba weta teething problem mya structure counted thirikari njaru itatoraku kuno manka ithe ina challenges nonto imanto ameru anto patera menyeria but overall devolution is not a bad thing
kwa health kwa devolved na mawea yake na wana bado ina mawea yake na ni yari kuyaingirite yangi according na ro kuona Moses
kama jembera na kuwa hiwaga Wero TV nonto ba utwitikiria kweja na twina interview na babwe kambwe apart from tuthina tu kidogo tukuonekana devolution ya health ni tethetie muno na tora chama narikia kuga ta for example Meru County ni andikite within a short period of time ni andikite CUs babaingi clinic officers I think they be more than almost 200 babandiki within a short kahita gakai na nasizi nyawe bandiki babaingi so many of them kuroki almost kinyawe bari oma kana zathatu Meru County umbite kwandika na nibu kuona the governor na wendelete kurugura cibitari na kona cionthe cia Meru County kuitu kuibwega kirigwe nonto nombite ukiria ministry na macibitari yetu tuga compare Meru County na county ingi batu itwetha twina ndawa kinya ketha tutina ndawa kiwango kira tukwenda indi Meru County nigeretie na lakini wakati other counties kuna counties imwe china thina ki kuregwa nyamichara no gatirima counties imwe ni kurewa very late ta Tharaka Nithi bari mushara yo December bari tariki 22 January na hiyo kuonesha challenges ile imwe chikuonekana kambwe thinera nene ki ministry ya health nyonto bwa so many centers of power ukatirima ta mantu ya batu tugomerete kwina Council of Governors ta batu andikite itombe witikaniria nabo lakini Ministry of Health ile yongozetwe ni bwana CS Mailo ukatirima bo nyonto iba kwenda kuona ni power kuni lazima kutokana baki making decision yao pasukumwa kidogo na
kwa Moses Orokweria kuwa ni ati kwina nkusanyo atika Council of Governors na Ministry Health tongeretwe ni batlio pamwilo na ibo batumite kinyamo wa moyo yo kethira wiku kaitene kara ya mno
actually nkaomba kueleza batu kia gitumite twitha tukindemonstrate ni kwithirwa Council of Governors na kanchokeria nkatho Council of Governors nyonto ibo batumire kwithira batu tukiomba kuthikirwa na mbeca itugwitia na mantu ya yonde tugwitia ibo baombere kuwa 18 candas ichi sidelined ilazima itagerwo nyacio na itombere kwangiri nabo na anene betu ba officials betu ba Nairobi kuma tariki 22 January na kuna consensus memorandum ila baombere ku sign na yiko ki ministry isainwa lakini ministry ni ekire memorandum anto basaini baekire na aria turete demonstration iro barohire rwero wikiria Sara Serem na bagikiria Sara Serem bataikirie ya yonde ya tombite witikaniria na
yari kubwetikaniretie na nene na Council of Governors
ni wetikirite kuria 18 candas that is aritibango ge baogima wa mwiri babati nurses na medical officers wetikirite kubaria health service allowance na rate ya 20,000 per month ni mantu yari mbeca chari chikiro no January lakini Ministry of Health at Nairobi ongozetwe ni Mailo na PSOE Maragulia ibombe wika memorandum mwira na yombo chererwa na ria bare ya kuona crisis chumbita kuendelea na tuikuita street in demonstration iyo ria barombire ku wiki baroera na rora na baitia mbeca kenda tumba wiki rombesha na kwina also clinic officers allowance tuma Nairobi tukia ukinya tuma Nairobi nyunto bwa the same issues tuchamaniti as officials countrywide na itumbe ukinya koma hilo na tu promisere yes promised us verbally that by mwisho mwezi jo mbeca ikariwa neighbor kari na His Excellency Mr. Ogwae na Ranguma babarungamirite committee chia ugima bwa mwiri ki Council of Governors
na nge kuitaria nini Moses twite kiliki bora bonde buretikaniritie nabo ibabwire babubwitheria kana kwina mantu yo baritete mwanka dai
okay bora batwire bakabwithia kwinera witwa service allowance ni ubakuwa bakaria mbeca ngiri 20 ki baraba in job group from G to L bakagirwa mbeca bawire kwanjiria January in arrears 20,000 60% and 40% kwanjiria July however pate ukari conclusive on clinic officers call allowance iyo yetekaniritwe ki memorandum ire basainire ira tuwita consensus memorandum nontu ni aria mantu ya maingi lakini ukwira Council of Governors betire quick wins na bawire baka implement problem ya ringia u CS ra aiwita control the budget eta put aside the budget for clinic officer on call allowance but the good thing is that Council of Governors ibarombere kuthiatira bandikira treasury bau nini bairende ku implement consensus memorandum ura basainite treasury can release mbeca cia on call allowance and then on to bata fact yo kire mbeca ira Mailo arari awetia but you call conclusive kiyo but ibatonerie barua ira Council of Governors bandikirite the PS wa Treasury.
Na manto yaba ebwethia by when?
Ya on call allowance but ukari conclusive is when nonto batira na report kuma kiri the Treasury. But ya service allowance we will have implement from January in arrears.
Okay.
Na ba mi factor mushare na yoyo this month.
Na Moses antu wengi no meabaua madaktari kwina ende antu iba kuiba clinical officers iba kuiba medical officers na rimwe nireta confusion no otwere in layman's language oeleze kabisa ora antu bakielewa imbi mwanya ya madaktari imbi mwanya ya clinical officers imbi na mwanya ya nurses.
Okay, mwanya ya kama jiri na nurses kwina tuita job description. Clinic officers na nurses rotero imwanya bana kimathomo bathoma mantu mwanya very different ugatrima nurses ki mantu ya konya mirimo batithoma deeply batitonya bati ki mathomo ya batithoma deeply about mirimo indi ibathoma deeply about nursing care kuyo twita nursing care nabo clinic officers na medical officers mwanya tiajo nene yura ntukona currently clinic officers bombite otonyera ndene cionthe cia speciality ni roterwa surgery akitu tutumba kubwithia that is a major surgery lakini ki minor surgery clinic officers bomba kubwithia na kama mbarire kidogo ria clinic officers banjiririe yari inale 1990s sisters ria kwa tukira kutena enough medical officers in the country na ilo bombe.
Let me correct you. Actually it was in 1928 pre-colonial period.
Pre-colonial ilo clinical officer course yanjiririe na ri cover for the gap ira kwa ethira kwina kutari na enough medical officers na courses ya tumba tuthoma the same courses no tukateganya moku ya tukuthoma twithoma the same moku na medical officers. It's only that batu no tutukubwithia diploma or itugwitwa clinic officers tukainyirio mantu ya within a short period no tukatega ta mantu ya yonde tuthoma within 3 years the same mantu ya medical officers bakuthoma indi medical officers bayukacheka gita kanene na ibeta na chena mbitu tumbiti pole pole na mostly clinic officers bathoma ka bategaira muno mantu ya common things mirimo re kwa common na hivyo ntomba kuona clinic officers bakumba kundili na mirimo yonthe ira common indi ira turombirwa ira ti common ira kweja ire mirito tukelea madaktari indi tia kuna difference inene indi
to clarify clinic officer bathoma te miaka ithatu ura secretary wa bathoma actually miaka ena
ntu internship
na tukithira chairman madaktari ria baomete ibarombete kuwa ati ni bakwenda inya working conditions yethera ni kwa improved ni thirikari ni nakwethera ko karangi ati ni working conditions ire ko iba kwenda cia improved.
Okay, working conditions ni terms cia service ya mtu akutira ngui ara kuntu kora mtu akutira ngui for example studio aja wo ukiomba kutangua kuno mwanka withe wina intobira basic bia biomba ko utetheria kendo tangua lakini waita hospitali sometimes ikwithaira kutena interview omba trima sometimes bina breakdown sometimes kinya video karingi bika uheta kinya bire outdated whether ibikuloketwa ne itanonto manto no kaya kuria ya changes cia and isio challenges ira ciethara ikiona kanguine ngweteki isio yubawaira.
Okay. Nipo ya sana no tubo kuwatanira na Bahati wa ndene ya Wero TV na mutegeri wa ita kuraya nitocokete na nteto cia micetho.